Losing important contacts can be frustrating, but in many cases, Google Contacts gives you a way to recover them. Whether your contacts were accidentally deleted, disappeared after syncing, or simply seem to be missing, I'll show you the best methods to get them back step by step. First, make sure you're signed in with the same Google account where your contacts were originally saved. If you use multiple Google accounts, switching to the correct one may instantly bring your contacts back. Next, use the search bar at the top of Google Contacts to look for a missing person by name, phone number, or email address. Sometimes the contact is still there, but is simply difficult to find in a long contact list. If your contacts were deleted recently, click the settings icon and choose Undo Changes, or use the Restore option if it's available for your account. Select a restore point from before the contacts disappeared, then confirm the restoration. Yeah, this feature only works for recent changes. If you're missing contacts on your phone, check that contact synchronization is enabled. Open your Google account sync settings and make sure contact syncing is turned on. So after synchronization finishes, your contacts should download automatically. If you previously exported your contacts as a CSV or vCard file, you can restore them by using the import feature in Google Contacts. Choose your backup file, upload it, and wait for the contacts to be added back to your account. Finally, refresh Google Contacts and search for a few of your recovered contacts. I mean, if everything worked correctly, the restored contacts will automatically sync across your connected devices using the same Google account. And that's it. You now know how to recover lost contacts in Google Contacts. By checking the correct account, restoring recent changes, enabling sync, or importing a backup, you can often get your contacts back quickly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.